What's up, everybody? This is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, back with a quick update to my most recent review of the upgraded Neewer 31.5-inch motorized camera slider. In the first look video that I just posted a couple of days ago, a question was asked if the newest motor is quieter than the previous model motor. So what I'm going to do now is make this really quick, but I'm going to zoom in on the motor and I'm going to use my Zoom H2N microphone to record the audio as close as possible and it be as silent as possible so you can hear the motor in motion moving side to side. Granted, my Zoom mic will be mounted on the slider, and of course it might not be as heavy as some DSLRs or other video cameras or camcorders, but it's still the best way I could give you an direct audio test to see how it sounds in comparison to the previous model. I'm sure there are a lot of other videos out there where people did sound tests on what the motor sounds like. So this is my test, so you can hear exactly what the motor sounds like moving side to side. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, microphone is recording. As you can see, this is my Zoom H2N microphone, and it's set up as close to the motor as possible without touching the motor. Hopefully it won't be too much vibration. Actually, this slider is very smooth, so it shouldn't be any vibration at all. It's set up pretty sturdy on my table. So I'm going to be completely silent and we're going to give a side-by-side sweep so you can hear the motor in action. Grab my remote and here we go. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, that's the Zoom H2N microphone recording of the side-by-side sweeping of the upgraded Neewer 31.5-inch motorized camera slider. And just like that, that's my quick audio test of the newest upgraded Neewer 31.5-inch motorized slider motor. Hopefully my test was good enough to answer any questions you may have had in regards to the sound that comes off of it. I know it's not perfectly silent, and if you were using the slider as a panning camera or panning your B camera, if you were doing an interview or some extra footage, you might hear a little audio from the motor, but I don't think it's that bad. And in this test, I left the Zoom mic. I didn't do any audio adjustments in post-processing because I want you to hear the motor as best you can so you can make a sound determination. But ultimately, I do think it's more quiet than the previous model. If you do, leave a comment. If you don't, leave a comment. And if you like my test, please give me a thumbs up. And feel free to subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video.